I'm honored to introduce Alamogordo Public Schools Framework for the Future. This shared vision is our blueprint for success, grounded in our commitment to providing high-level education and building a brighter future for all students. This framework was developed with the input from our teachers, students, parents, administrators, community members, and local organizations, all through the work of our guiding coalition. We envision a community where every individual is empowered to lead with heart and learn with purpose, to thrive as a lifelong learner. To get there, we are strengthening partnerships with families and community members to support every student. Our framework focuses on dynamic, learner-centered experiences. That means hands-on, student-driven learning, where exploration and achievement are celebrated, all in close collaboration with families and our wider community. We are committed to continuously evolving our students' learning, adapting, innovating, and always striving to increase student achievement, all through meaningful educational experiences. Our teachers and instructional staff are the backbone of this work. The framework ensures they are receiving ongoing, relevant professional development and time to collaborate. And we're also strengthening our community ties to create real-world learning and mentorship opportunities for all students. Our framework for the future is about collectively cultivating innovative thinkers, resilient achievers, self-aware learners, skilled communicators, and engaged global citizens. Together, with a unified community, we can bring this vision to life and lead Alamogordo into a vibrant and successful future.